Hello everybody. If you are watching this video, I believe you have Alfa 1900 wireless USB adapter, and it's not working on your Kali Linux virtual machine. Well, the problem is that drivers you are trying to install is incompatible with your adapter and its NIC chipset. I'm using VMware virtual machine on my Windows 10 system. Going a bit closer to the point, the problem is that you installed drivers various ways and your system didn't discover any VAN. Well, thanks to GitHub community, there's drivers that will work. The thing is that 99% of info about this adapter drivers is wrong, and only those drivers will work for this exact Wi-Fi adapter. How much we can see here, there's only wired connection and no wireless icon. As well as if I type airmon command, there is no Wi-Fi status. At the moment you can see USB adapter icon is off. And even if it's on, but it's not pulsing, there is a problem. So first thing we need to do is to disconnect Wi-Fi USB adapter from the host and connect to virtual machine. You can do it by pressing player, removable devices, realtek, and disconnect from the host. Press OK. Now you can see that adapter USB icon lights up and it's pulsing. That means that my virtual machine picked up my Wi-Fi adapter and it's active. And next to the wired connection there is option for Wi-Fi. You can see it here. Now when I type airmon command, there's my Wi-Fi and it will be active. Here you go. So how it's done? Well, you need correct drivers. So here's a list of commands that you will need to execute in Kali terminal. So firstly, update your system, upgrade newest version of all packets and its dependencies by this command. Then reboot your system and install dkms and Linux headers. Then get git clone by that, change directory. If you are already tried to install drivers through dkms, or if it failed, you need to remove dkms and then install dkms. Another thing is that if you install drivers so many times, I would recommend to delete your Kali virtual machine, reinstall and start from scratch. You can find commands in the description, and you're welcome and good luck.